Hello guys, how are you all? For those who are new, I'm Vrushali and I make easy DIY nail art tutorials and also nail hacks. Today I'll be swatching this lovely shimmer nail polish from NYbae. So if you want to know everything about this particular nail polish, just keep on watching. I purchased this from purple.com. Check the description box for product link. This polish is named as Crinkle Cut Fries. It is a lovely shimmery orange shade. It has very minute holographic fine particles in it. Now let's apply the first coat. As you can see, this particular polish is quite translucent on the first coat. Friends, if you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do support me on Facebook and Instagram as well. Let's apply the second coat. As you can see, it gives quite a good amount of opacity after the second coat. I'm not happy with just two coats, so I'll be applying a third coat as well and see how that looks. The consistency of this polish is very good. It is nice and creamy. The brush is also fine and the polish lasted on my nails for around a week without chipping. As you can see, this looks so good, so shimmery and shiny after the third coat. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.